This is Alan Bush with the daily financial forecast for Thursday, March 18th. Stock index futures advancing yesterday and also in the overnight trade as the Fed's statement yesterday seemed to be a bit dovish on balance, at least for the short end of the curve. Since then, traders now focusing on higher yields at the long end of the curve, so that's putting a little pressure on stock index futures. But overall, futures are performing well for the news. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index, its initial reaction to the Fed statement was bearish, and there was a very quick decline after the Fed statement. Some recovery today as traders centering a bit more on the longer term yields, which have increased. Also, we have the British pound a little bit weaker. This after the Bank of England holding its policy meeting today. And it was a bit on the dovish side, indicating that it does not intend to tighten credit policies anytime soon. Of course, we'll have the Bank of Japan meeting tomorrow. Interest rate futures markets, it appears that the Fed statement was slightly dovish on balance at the short end of the curve and a bit hawkish on balance at the long end of the curve. So this has caused a yield steepening, and it looks like this trend will probably continue, especially since the Fed did not address any type of yield curve control measures. So look for the yield curve to continue to steepen. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.